A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends, assalamu alaikum. I am very glad to speak a few words about my teacher and their importance in each one of our life. The poet says that वही शागिर्द प्रेर हो जाते हैं वही शागिर्द प्रेर हो जाते हैं जो अपने जान व दिल से मस्तान करते हैं. Mr. President, as we consider our college our home, all the teachers must be considered as our parents. A good teacher helps us to become a good human being in the society. So the future development of any country is the hand of the teacher. उस्ताद बादशाह नहीं होता, उस्ताद बादशाह नहीं होता, मगर अपने तलबा को बादशाह बना सकता है. Mr. President, we are not only learning academic lessons from a teacher. Rather, we are learning a lot of new things. They always encourage us to follow good habits. As like a parent, a teacher also knows what they have to give right. After students, we need teachers in every stage of life. At any suggestion for teacher. So it is important we have to understand the hard work of each teacher, and we can must appreciate their effort and contribution. We